Okay, everybody, the first meal we decided to make is the one Pan Orzo Italiano with chicken sausage, tomatoes, and spinach. It was actually pretty easy to make. Actually, I mean, the instructions are sometimes confusing, but these were actually pretty interesting. I just took it out of the oven because it needed to broil, so we are going to taste it, and I'll let you guys know how it is. Okay, so I'm taking a couple bites, and I actually really like this. I was really afraid of trying it because of the spinach, but I didn't put a lot of spinach in it. And I was also a little afraid of the tomatoes, but you barely even taste the spinach and you barely even taste the tomatoes. I did put a little extra mozzarella than what the recipe said, but I really liked it. Husband, do you like it?
Very good.
So I actually like it because my husband approves of it. So this is a meal that we'll probably make again in the future. Super easy to make. Now on to the next meal. Okay, so the next meal, and the husband made this meal all by himself, is the chicken cheddar fajitas with bell pepper, lima crema, and pickled jalapenos. So this is his plate. He put a little bit more jalapenos and tomatoes or peppers on his than I did. And then these are just my regular tacos. So we're just going to sit down and eat, and we'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, so after I just ate one, my husband like devoured his. But after I ate ours, I want to say this isn't the greatest taco. He actually makes a better like steak taco that we'll just inhale, but I just got a jelly bean stuck on my food. So I don't know, I would probably give this like 6 stars. It might be something I eat again, but I gotta make it differently. What do you think, husband?
Maybe a B minus.
B minus, yeah. So otherwise it was pretty decent, but something I would just add a little bit different stuff to it. Okay, let's see what we make next. Okay, so now we are on our third meal. This is the Hall of Fame honey glazed pork tenderloin with sweet potatoes and green beans. I do not like sweet potatoes. I do not like green beans, so I added broccoli with some cheese on it. But here is the meat. My mom and I are going to try this together because husband is at work and we haven't had time to make it yet. So now we're going to try it. Okay, so after eating it, I do like the pork. It actually does pretty good in that sauce on it. It's something different. It doesn't make the pork too dry. I did take a couple bites of the sweet potatoes. They're okay. Still not a big fan, but I'll eat them as long as they're caked in the sauce. Don't even want to touch the green beans. I tried them. Don't like them, but I like my broccoli. So that is it. That is the pork tenderloin. I hope you guys enjoyed all 3 meals. If you guys are interested in joining HelloFresh, I do have the link below. You guys can get your first box for 20 bucks and get meals just like this. You guys can learn how to make different techniques of making food. So if you guys enjoyed it, please let me know, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.